Hello guys, welcome to Bami's Kitchen where we make healthy and sumptuous meal. Today I will be showing you how to make potato porridge with beef. If this is your first time of coming across this video, you are welcome. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. For the ingredients, I will be using beef, onions, tomatoes, and then potato which I peeled and diced already. In a clean pan, I will be adding sunflower oil and allow to hot for some minutes, and then I will add the chopped onions and stir fry these for a few seconds before adding the next ingredient. Now I'll be adding the beef. This is a soft one I'm using. You can use any beef of your choice. I will also stir fry these for few minutes. Then I will be adding my aromatic pepper, and then I'll also add some paprika pepper into this, and then I will add my chopped tomatoes, and then I will give everything a stir. I will cover this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will open up the pot. Now I will be adding the peeled and washed Irish potatoes, and I will also add water at this point, enough water to cook it, and then I'll go ahead to add maggi. Next I will be adding some salt, and then I will give everything a stir. If you have watched up to this moment and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead to click the subscribe button. I will cover again to cook for 4 to 5 minutes and then open up the pan. At this point, I will be adding more spices to give this more flavor, e.g. oregano spice. I will be adding parsley. I will also be adding basil, and finally I will be adding bay leaves. All these will take this food to another level. Also, if you don't have all these spices, you can still go ahead to prepare your potato porridge like that. I cover this up to cook for a few minutes. Now I will be adding Spanish white beans. This is optional. If you don't have this, you can skip this part. Okay, now I'll go ahead to stir this up, and then I will cover to cook for just few minutes before taking off the porridge off the gas cooker. Look at that guys, it looks so yummy. I tell you, this meal was so delicious. Try this and you will thank me later. And now our potato porridge is ready. I'll go ahead to serve this in my bowl, and off I go to demolish this yummy and tasty potato porridge. Thank you guys for always watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. You can also combine this with bread. See you in my next video. Keep eating good food. Bye.